What's up, guys? Mike here. Today I got another stock for you guys that I am going to start building my position in, and this stock is a very well-known stock that we have traded several times, and it is almost getting ready to be traded again. And of course, that stock is none other than Rocket Company's ticker symbol RKT. This is a multi-billion-dollar company, and it is making billions and billions of dollars every single year selling, or I should say reselling, mortgage rates back to you and to others, right? A lot of people go and refinance their loans, and Rocket Mortgage is the number one mortgage refinance company out there. It is the largest company out there, and it is a dominant powerhouse, and they make billions of dollars, and this company is just treated no more than a meme stock. And I think this company is a very powerful company, and it is a high-powered growth company, but a lot of people have not recognized its existence yet. And we are going to go and trade this company today. We are going to go over the charts. We are going to go over the technical analysis. Where is a good time to start buying, like the price action, and where would be a good place to start selling our shares and taking profits and going home with some money in our pockets. So with that said, guys, I don't want to waste too much time. Make sure you always smash that like button, hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel, and I really do appreciate it. Come and check out my Patreon page. We have a lot of members joining recently, and I am very grateful for that. And I hope many more of you come and join and trade with me. I do expect to see a lot of you in my Patreon page coming up this month, because this is a crazy month. September is one of the craziest months in the market out there, and you want to be very well prepared for this month. So come and join my Patreon page. Come trade with us. Come join us and come make some returns with us. So with that said, guys, let's begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let's check out what is going on with Rocket Company's ticker symbol RKT. As we can see, this stock has been trading pretty much sideways for a very long time until they did earnings report, and it skyrocketed upwards to around 1955, and then it just got crashed right back down, pretty much shorted all the way back down, and it is going sideways again, and going actually lower than sideways mostly every day. The past week or two, everything has been going up, and retarded Rocket companies has been going down. It barely even had a closed green day, which is really sad, which is actually in our benefit. Why? Because we are going to get a nice discount on the stock once it stops going down. And right now, I think under $17 would be definitely the time to start loading up on our shares, right? Where exactly under 17, I can't tell you the exact price, but probably around 16.6 to 16.8 sounds like a good area to load up. Maybe even 16.9-ish area could be good. I prefer under 16.9 just to be on the safe side. I think that is a great time to load up, get your shares, and expect it to go back up eventually, right? It has to. It did on earnings, and I'm pretty much expecting it to do that again. Now, where would I sell this now? I think around 19 to 20 bucks would be our highs, right? Right now, previous high, it can't even expand be above the $19 price target, which is really sad and shameful, especially for the stock that is being heavily shorted. And a lot of issues is because it has been treated like a meme stock. Shorts try to get squeezed out, and then once shorts get squeezed out, everybody's like, all right, I'm done. This already had its squeeze, right? We did have a major squeeze actually a couple months ago, and the stock shot up to $41. I think in after hours, it actually went up to all the way to $43 that day on March 1st, which was crazy. I actually was part of that, and I was really happy with the trade I made. We took in a lot of profits that day. That was one of the best days. We took a lot of profits on that, and ever since it's just been trading downwards, right? Rocket Company has not have a solid return yet, right? So I would not enter this above 17. I think below 17 is a great area. We're about to get that opportunity. I think it is way too oversold right now. Rocket Companies is extremely oversold, and it will definitely have its day very, very soon. RSI still says it's too high. We want something like this, right? We want below 30 RSI. We want that. We need that. We need to have something like that in order to be fulfilled that we are getting a good price for our money, right? Everything right now is extremely bearish, right? I'm sorry to be the bear of news, but you can see that for yourself, right? This was your sell target. We got a MACD crossover telling you just to sell. It's not even telling you to buy, all right? And that day was pretty much right here. It was just telling you it's time to get the heck out, right? It just blew its previous support on that day, right? It blew it. It just said, just get out, all right? Just get out. Stay out. This is not good. This is not a good stock right now. It's just telling you to get out. Everything's telling you sell, right? Right here was your sell signal, and ever since then, it's just been trading downwards, right? Down, down, down. Every day we're going down, right? But sooner or later, this stock, people will say, all right, this is just way too oversold. It just does not even make sense fundamentally how powerful this company is, how much money this company is making. And the market makers will start building their positions again like they've done several times before, and we will see it shoot up again eventually, right? I can't tell you exactly when, but I think the $16 areas is definitely a possibility of the times area, the money flow area that we want to start targeting. Exactly where you want to buy in. I would not buy above 16.9 personally. I want it below 16.9. I think it's gonna go there, but we have seen it not go there, right? We have seen it not go there. We think it's gonna go below 16.9. That was the lowest of the week, and then it just shot up to 18, right? And then we just shot up again to 19 for earnings, right? Earnings isn't going to be for a while. It's the next time Rocket Companies will have earnings will be on November 8th. I'll put up a little screen here that will show you November 8th is when it's going to be due. All right, Rocket Companies, a lot of analysts are saying this stock is worth around $19-ish, which is great because that is our sell price target anyways. Between $19 to $20 is where we expect to start taking profits, all right? 3 months ago was the latest these people reported, and they haven't even changed their mind. And they're saying around 18 is like a hold, sell. This guy's like, this stock is trash. Just get rid of it. This guy's like, hold. This guy's like, buy. 23 is like, buy. Oh, man, we're just getting some crazy people right here. Right? A lot of people still are bullish the past months, but these are like a long time ago. We need an update on tip ranks. Tip ranks is just way too old and retarded, and they need some new analysts coming in and telling you, this is a 5-star analyst. This guy could be right? Pretty much he's been 241 times out of 312 successful. He's got a 77% rating. This guy is 69%. He's not doing so hot. This guy is a 77% rating. Pretty much just as good, all right? Almost as good. This guy is a little bit better. But he's only had 35 ratings, which doesn't even put him on the level this guy has, right? This guy has seen the most experience, right? 386, not too bad. But I think $19-ish is a good sell price for me. I think that's where I'm going to be taking my profits. As we can see, Google Finance is just telling us this stock has been on a nasty downtrend forever, right? It's as clear as day, all right? It shoots up for earnings, and then it just gets wrecked all the way back down, all right? It can't hold its position, all right? NASDAQ said this is one of the fewest stocks out there that is seemed to be a good value for its price. I agree. $17 is just, I think it's way too oversold. I think the stock definitely needs to have more buyers coming in. P ratio is a 6.2. It is just ridiculous for companies in its market to have a 6 ratio PE level. We need to see at least 10 to 12, right? That's how way too oversold it is. That's how you know you are getting the best, one of the best bangs for your bucks. When a company as big as Rocket Companies is trading below a 8 to 10 PE ratio. Not even. It should be at least 10 to 12, in my opinion. Rocket Company should be a 10 to 12 PE ratio company. The S&P is a 35, right? This is how crazy high overbought S&P has become this year. It's just way too high, right? Look at how much they're making, right? Records of $83 billion loan origination, 16% up year over year. Net revenue, $2.7 billion. This is a multi-billion-dollar making profit company. Their income is just $1 billion. EBITDA is $1.3 billion, which is really good. Equity, they hold $7.8 billion in liquid cash. That's a lot of money to be holding in cash. Rocket companies, buy back some shares, you retarded company. That's what's going to help definitely boost the company's share price. These scumbag cheap bastards won't even buy back their own shares, right? Which kind of tells everybody else, why should they buy the companies when the own company is not buying its own oversold shares, right? Which makes no sense, right? $2 billion cash on hand. It's just retarded that this company isn't buying back. They promised to do share buyback, and they still have not even fulfilled on that promise. That is ridiculous. They need to buy back some shares, decrease the share flow out there, squeeze the life out of all the shorts in this company, and shoot the stock price going up, right? I think we will see another short squeeze ahead. I can't tell you if we'll go back to $40, but somewhere in the 20s will definitely happen, maybe even the 30s eventually. The long term, I think this company is definitely a hold, especially if you're getting it around 16, 17 bucks. I think long term, this is a definite company I would hold for a long term if I was a true believer of this company. I think it is way too sold. I think this company is at least worth somewhere between $20 to $24. That's its true value that I see this company should have. $20 to $24 is a real good value for this company long term, right? Not even including the short squeezes, which happen here and there, but I think $20 to $24 is a true value at the rate this company is progressing. Right now, it's just way too oversold. Below 17 is definitely going to be a buy signal to me. RSI is still too high right now. I want it at 30 or below. I want the RSI like this. I want it here. This is where I want to buy the life out of this stock. I want to buy the living heck out of this stock, and we will get that chance coming up, because at the rate this stock keeps going down, we will definitely see that happen. We will get that opportunity. We will get this oversold ticker changing to buy. We will get a sell signal changing to a buy soon coming up. You just have to be pretty patient. Being patient in the stock market is one of the best things to do. Long-term investing is the best way to make money, and we will get our day very soon. Just hold on tight. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to destroy that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post a lot of buys and sells there, and also a lot of useful things you need to know regarding the market. So come and check out my Instagram page. Leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks or questions you might have regarding this stock or many other stocks, and I do my best to answer every one of you out there, or I might just do a video on that stock that you might have a question of. Also, guys, check out my Patreon page. We have a sale. This is the last month I'm doing my sale on my Patreon page. So come and join us and trade with us on my Patreon page. Come learn how to use the market to your advantage, whether it is going up or down. I'd be happy to help you guys out. So come and check out my Patreon page. Also, do not miss out on the promotion going on right now with WeBull, where they're giving 2 free stocks, one just for signing up to their platform, and another free stock when you make a deposit of only $5. They will give you a second free stock worth from $8 all the way up to $2,000. Check the link in the description box below for your 2 free stocks from WeBull. If you want another free stock, FirstTrade gives out pretty good stocks. Link for that one in the description box below. And of course, finally, Robinhood gives out pretty good stocks as well. Link for that one in the description box as well. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.